Focusing will save you money. Yes.
Hey guys, today I'm here with a video that is new. So I decided to go ahead and start this new series called the Single Mom Entrepreneurship series or something like that. I don't know yet. This video specifically is going to be about starting your business and 3 tips that I think are really important in starting a business. I've always wanted to have my own business all of my life. Like, I've always had a passion for entrepreneurship. When people was playing house, I was playing store. I literally was selling all my toys. Sorry, mom. I was like, I've always been about business. I love business so much. And so as a single mother, as a mother, period, you really kind of lose focus of your dreams because you're so focused on your kids, which is good. But I mean, you do want to not lose yourself in becoming a mother. And so I really wanted to follow my dreams. I've let so many things stop me. I've let fear stop me or hold me back. I've let excuses hold me back. Like, just so many things over the last 29 years. I've just basically got off focus. And so first off, my first tip in starting your business would be to focus. I was just selling all types of things, and I was just so excited that I purchased items to sell that I really did not need to sell at all. Like, I just did. There was no need for me to be selling hair accessories. I'm glad that I went back to the drawing board, erased everything, and said, okay, let's focus and let's figure out what it is that I actually really want my business to be. So I came up with Posh Beauty, and I can honestly say I'm really happy with that name. And I created a logo. With refocusing, it allowed me to come up with some ideas that I really love. And so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of things that I came up with my relaunch, and it just launched today actually. These are my peppermint oil infused tinted lip glosses. I really love them. I do have nude on right now. I really wanted to keep it simple this time. Like I said, last time I just went all over and just was doing too much. I think I was thinking that like I needed to have a lot of product on my site. However, this time I'm keeping it simple. We've got 4 glosses that launched. They actually do also come in the squeezy tube. And then with that, I also ended up deciding to launch a couple other like branded items, just a few, nothing too serious. So I have these cute tumblers that say Posh Beauty that you can get. And then I also have these little, I call them the Boss Beauty Essential Kits. As you can see, it comes with a gloss, a pocket mirror, this cute little see-through makeup bag, essentials. Also, I did relaunch new packaging for my lashes. I actually have my lashes on right now in the style Dream. So yeah, that's that. Now with refocusing, I have decided to basically slim my brand down and only offer things that I know that I love. I'm happy with that. I'm keeping it simple. I don't have a bunch of crap. Focusing will save you money. My second tip would be to research. Now, there is so much out here. YouTube especially. I say like 99% of the things that I needed to know or wanted to know, I was able to find on YouTube. There is so much content on how to start a business. If you want to be a lip gloss, eyelash, fashion, whatever it is you want to do, there are probably 50 YouTube videos on how to do it. Like, you really shouldn't just go ask somebody where they bought their packaging or something like that, because chances are they really did a lot of work just to try to find that packaging. Research. That is huge for starting your own business. Regardless of what it is you're trying to do, research is going to be the number one thing that you need to do. Like, before you do anything, you need to research. My third tip is going to be don't rush. do not rush with this. Like me, I got excited. I just went ahead and did it. I jumped off into the deep end. I just was like, let's do it. Thinking back, I just wish that I would have taken my time. With this launch, I decided to take my time. Don't be a perfectionist. Just, don't rush, but also don't be so much of a perfectionist that you feel like it's not right, it's not ready, because that's how I am. I literally, I've had things that I've been like, oh my gosh, this looks crazy, this isn't gonna work, and then I'm like, okay, wait, is it just me, or am I tripping? You're your own worst critic. So just don't rush, but don't be too much of a perfectionist. Take your time, research, and focus. Those are the three main things. If you really do these three things, I really do feel like your brand will be amazing and you'll come out with something that you're happy with. Don't forget to check out my boutique. It's poshmamaboutique.com, and you'll find all of the products that I mentioned today. And definitely stay tuned, because I plan on making a lot more videos that have to do with entrepreneurship as a single mother. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me below what your dreams are and what you've been working on during this time that, this crazy time that we in. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.